What's up, YouTube? Today is February 10th, and this is the trade recap. So, as you can see, I went long. I feel like today is kind of just like a forced trade, but at the same time, it was an A+ setup. I was staying patient, disciplined, waiting for the confluences to align to go long. But by the way market was moving this morning, you could already tell that we wanted to sweep all the liquidity that we wanted to and then go down, but at the same time, I just still had that feeling that price wanted to come up here and sweep this 4-hour high, which obviously that didn't happen. You can see we came down here and swept London lows. But one of the main reasons why I thought price would want to go up there and take that 4-hour high is because there was an SMT. So ES was leading with the SMT, the bullish SMT, because NQ took out London session and Asian session with this candle right here, as you can see. So I figured, okay, big liquidity sweep there. And we're also retracing to a 1-hour fair value gap and respecting it. But as you can see, we are a bit overextended. We still need a decent retrace. So also, I feel like price wanted to come into equilibrium as well, which we got close, which I'm thinking it's going to top it, and then we're going to continue higher. But the point is okay, NQ took out major draws of liquidity on the downside, so I figured price would just want to keep shooting up. So I was chilling on the 5-minute after I saw that we created that SMT. We made this big move up, as you can see, introducing a lot of volatility in the market. And that was another reason why I wanted to go long, was because giant candles like this signal that there's more volatility coming into the market. So then as soon as I saw we made this move up, I just wanted to see a break of structure, which we got that right here. And then I also wanted to see us come into this giant fair value gap right here. I know some people actually took longs off of a 1-minute break of structure, which, to be fair, okay, that's valid because we already took out major draws of liquidity on the downside on NQ and we made the SMT. So I could see why people took a long off this 1-minute break of structure right here, but I just don't feel comfortable doing that. I feel like you're just rushing a trade, in my opinion. Like, you're just getting super greedy if you're scaling down to the 1 minute like that fast. Even though like those confluences are aligning, like I call it the double confirmation method. I just need more probability that longs are going to play out from higher time frames and not from lower time frames. The only time that I use lower time frame is when I see that higher time frame confluences are getting respected, and then that's when I come down to the 1 minute time frame, if that makes sense. That might not make sense for some. That's just the way I think about my trades. But again, trading is different for everyone. This is just how I trade. But once I saw that we created this fair value gap, I wanted to see us come down into this fair value gap, respect it. And then also, I believe with us coming into this fair value gap, we also came into equilibrium, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, we came into equilibrium. So then as soon as I saw that, I, again, wanted to see double confirmation. So as soon as I saw that, I wanted to see a 1-minute break of structure, which we got that right here. And as soon as we broke structure to the upside and also disrespecting this bearish fair value gap, I entered. Got my entry right here when this candle went down like that. And then as you can see, we were consolidating. I was thinking that we were accumulating before going up, but turns out that market already took out all the liquidity on the upside that it wanted to, and then it wanted to continue down. So again, I think it was just kind of like a forced trade today, even though I had an A+ setup. But I feel like I just shouldn't have been trading today. That's just my opinion. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.